Hello guys, my name is Blessing. You can call me BB London. Please, if today is the first time you are watching my channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and also comment to my channel. Thank you so much. Today is all about celery. What is this celery is all about? Guys, I am a gastritis survivor. I have been in this sickness for over 6 years. Today, I want to share my story of how I cure my gastritis stomach pain with you guys. So, gastritis is the inflammation that is lying in the stomach that causes a lot of pain in the body. Sometimes you will be feeling pains in your chest, in your stomach, in your shoulder, in your back. So it is not easy, guys. Sometimes you can't even eat like others. Sometimes when you are breathing, you will be breathing fast. Sometimes when others in the night are sleeping, you can't even sleep. So there are a lot of things that this gastritis is causing in the body. If you have experienced this gastritis pain, you will understand what I'm talking about. Drinking a drugs will make it to be worse. Drinking water and will make it to be worse. It will make you uncomfortable. Anywhere to sit down, to stand up, all these things is the problem of this gastritis. So guys, until I come across this celery juice that helps me a lot, I'm so excited, I'm so happy to share this story with you people. So guys, celery juice is not an ordinary juice. It's a healing juice. It's also a health juice. There are benefits of this celery juice which you have to understand before taking it. Celery juice helps to fight cancer, liver diseases, and also reduce inflammation lying in the stomach. So guys, celery juice works to break down the undigested food. Celery juice can even work to clean up your skin. Celery juice can also work to kill off unprotective bacteria. If you have a bacteria in your body, sometimes in the mornings when you go to toilet, urinate, you will see the color of your urine. You will understand what I'm talking about. So before you can achieve this good result about this health juice and this celery juice, guys, there are certain things you need to avoid. What are those things? Number one is you have to quit eating hot food. Hot food. You have a problem in your stomach. You have to stop eating the food that is hot. That will make the problem to be worse. The second one is you have to stop eating too much now. Eating too much. If you eat too much, the food will be too heavy in your stomach. That will make the sickness to be worse, make you uncomfortable, and also make undigested. Another one is don't eat before drinking this juice. No, it will not work well because a lot of people are complaining that this maybe they will do and they will not do it properly, and after they will complain that this doesn't work for them. But there are certain things you need to avoid to make it work best for you. So all this is what you can do if you want to achieve the benefit of this celery juice. Guys, you need to drink it in the morning, early in the morning before you take your breakfast. That is the best result. So the reason why I added the honey is because honey makes easy digestive problem. If you are having a problem, maybe when you eat, the food will not digest, add it honey. Honey will help it to push it down and help it to digest very well in your system. And also honey helps to reduce cancer for those that have this cancer. So guys, since I come across this amazing juice, I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I have been taking it every morning without any problem again. So guys, this is the drugs that I have been taking for over years about this gastritis. So the name of the drugs is called pantoprazole for gastritis. I have been taking it, I have been drinking it, but there is no solution for my problem. And now I can eat normal, I can drink anything, I can eat everything that I want without complaining anything again. I'm so excited, guys. Cellular juice is a health juice, healing juice. I love it so much. So guys, it is time to do what? To juice out, to bring out the juice. Woo! Let's juice out. Let's go, guys. I have already washed the celery. Then the next second step is to put it inside the blender. As I'm doing it now, you put it inside the blender. You cover your blender and start. So guys, the celery juice has blended very well. Then the next step you will do is to filter out the juice. As I'm doing it, make sure doing it. Not doing it. Make sure that the juice is out. So this is the juice. Now the last thing you have to do is to add 1 spoon of honey. 1 spoon of honey. This is the honey. Then the honey, you add 1 spoon. Okay, mix it together with the juice. Make sure you mix it very well. Mix it very well. Okay, everything is ready now. You can drink this every morning before the breakfast, and you will see the miracle of this celery juice. This is not an ordinary juice. It's a health juice that cures sicknesses, give energy, and also digest food. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe. So guys, this is the juice, the health juice that helps me a lot. I'm so excited. You can see it here now. I'm drinking it. Just give it a try. You understand what I'm talking about. Thank you guys for watching about this celery juice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the button, comment, and also like. I love you guys. I will continue to love you guys. Bye bye.